How to add a size chart to your Shopify Horizon theme. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you that step by step. So first we will need to just go to our online store and go to themes. From here we simply just want to click on edit theme. We want to go to the default product page. Now we simply just want to add an accordion, so it's more like tabs. So what we can do is just click on product information. And then just beneath the description, we can just add a block by clicking on this plus icon. From here, we simply just select the accordion, and this is going to generate 3 different tabs here for us. You can create as many as you like, but we are going to remove 2 of them and just keep 1, which is going to be for the size chart. So we can just go and click on it and rename it to size chart. Next up, we can just give it an icon. So for example, I'm going to give it the icon of a ruler, and you can even increase the width of the icon, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go back. Next up, we need to adjust the text option here. So just go ahead and click on it and make sure you remove everything in here. Now, what we need to actually add is not the proper size chart just yet. We want to actually connect a dynamic source so that the blue, for example, product is going to have its own size chart. So we want it to display in here, but the red is going to have its own separate size chart. So it's going to be dynamic. It depends on the product and what type of size chart it has. So in order to do so, we will need to connect dynamic source. And for that, we need some meta fields. So all we need to do right now is just click on save from the top right corner and exit the Shopify editor. From the main dashboard, we want to go to settings from the bottom left, and then we just want to click on meta fields and meta objects. Then select products, then just click on add definition. We want to name it size chart. Next up, the type is going to be either a single line text if you want to add a table. So you want it to actually generate a table that has the size chart in it. Or you can just go for multi-line text if you want to type out the size chart yourself. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult, so I recommend the first one. And now we just want to click on save. Next, we will need to just go to our products and actually add these size charts to them. Because I have selected the single line text, we will need to be adding some HTML code to generate the table. Luckily for us, we have plenty of tools out there that can actually, create these tables for us. One of these examples is any AI that you have. You can ask them to create an HTML table for you and add the specifications that you want, and it's going to create it for you. Or even you can find some websites like HTML tables generators. So you can just look up to HTML tables generators and you're going to be able to find something like this. In my case, I'm just going to go for the AI one, so I'm just going to write a prompt real quick. So I just said I need an HTML table for a Shopify accordion, so compact and clean. Columns, size 1, size 2, size 3, size 4, and rows left to right. And you get the idea. So I'm just going to paste this in, and we have the HTML. We can simply just copy the code once it's done. So once you copy the code, you simply just want to go back to Shopify. And then you want to go to your product that is, that we have just generated the size chart to. So for example, the blue one, and we want to paste this in right over here. Click on save, and we want to go back to online store, edit theme, go to default product page, find the accordion, go ahead and make sure you click on text, connect dynamic source, size charts, and we should be able to find that we have the table here so people can actually view it as they please. So just go ahead and generate more tables for each product that you need. So for example, for the red one, you just go back to ChatGPT, just change a few tweaks, the different values that you want, paste the HTML code here, and you should be able to find that the accordion has changed accordingly. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.